It's your girl Jasmine Marie. Welcome back to another wig install video. Today's hair is from BeautyForever. Everything about this wig will be linked in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. They sent me a lot of stuff, so let's get into it. I love opening packages. So in this little bag, they sent me a wig cap, eyelashes, a wig band, blush brush, another wig cap, another wig band with their logo on it, BeautyForever. Okay, now let's get into the wig. It's a 13x4 transparent lace wig. As you guys can see, it's this beautiful balayage color, honey blonde, perfect for the summertime. I can't wait to put this in. I have a pool party to go to tomorrow. Okay, so basically back to the voiceovers, and if you don't like voiceovers, I don't care because I'm doing them anyways. Look at this wig. It's very, very full. I love the highlights, the brown. Like, this color was everything. Plus, my man said he liked this color the best on me, so it must be the best wig I've ever put on. Because anyways, thank you to BeautyForever Hair for this wig. Anyways, let's get right into it. So I plucked and bleached the knots, and as you guys can see, I plucked it very, very well. The hairline was giving. It's about to get melted down. As usual, I'm cutting these combs off because they just get stuck in my braids. I don't see the use for them anyway, so these combs are coming right off before the install of this wig, and I'm gonna put this wig on. I just really can't wait. Like, this is one of my all-time favorite wigs just because the color. That little lace in the back, of course, you know, cut it off and then adjust the adjustable band in the back to get it how you want it. I braided down my hair, put the wig cap on off camera. You guys can see that. And let me just talk about it, y'all. I switched from the Ghost Bond glue to something called Hold Me Down, and it was honestly, it was better because the Ghost Bond was making my skin turn a different color. Like, one part of my head was white and one part of my head was like its natural color, and I really didn't want that anymore, so I did a softer glue, and I'm 10 out of 10 recommending the Hold Me Down glue. You can find it at the beauty supply store, but this is not a glue ad, so let me get back to the install. So of course I do 2 coats of glue and wait till they're all the way completely white before I add another coat. I'm using the dryer on a cool setting to get it completely dry. You want to wait till it is clear. Once again, babes, I said clear, all the way clear before you do another layer. So after my 2 coats, I'm going to pull my wig down onto my head, and I'm going to start from the middle and go to the sides of pulling it into the glue. As I'm pulling it into the glue, I'm going to use a rat tail comb to just make sure the hairs aren't getting stuck, only the lace. Y'all know the drill if y'all watch my videos. But if you're new here, yeah, that's what we do. We comb all the way through the install, and normally towards like the ear tabs, I got to add more glue because it just be coming up or it just don't be enough. You need like 3-4 coats for the ear tab, honestly. But it really works if you dry and comb at the same time. It helps it get melted easier. Okay, so now I'm going to take my pump it up and just put it along the hairline and use a cool setting on the dryer to get it melted. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to just go ahead and put on my wig band. But that pump it up is a lifesaver, y'all. I used to use Eben spray, but Eben spray is a little too heavy. Like, a little bit of pump it up, I'm telling you, your wig is going to be on your head for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks, your wig is going to be on your head. So pump it up is definitely the way to go. Yeah, so I put the wig band on, and the hair was pretty much already blow dried and and straightened before I did this video, so I really skipped that part. All right, so I did let the wig band sit on my head for about 45 minutes, but I, of course, didn't show you that. But anyways, I'm going to cut this at a downward jagged motion with my razor. This razor was kind of dull, so I wouldn't suggest using a dull razor because it was actually hard for me to get it how I wanted to. I had to go in with my scissors and really cut and play around with this wig because it just, I don't know. Just don't cut your hair with dull razors. Just get you a sharp one. As you can see, I just started using the scissors for the rest, and Went back to this dusty little razor I found. But yeah, don't be afraid to cut any hair off because you just want it to look as natural as possible. So, you know, you want to cut into the hair and not have any lace left. So there I'm cleaning my head with some rubbing alcohol on that towel, and I'm putting some makeup along my hairline to just blend it and make it look all one color. Yeah, cleaning it more with some alcohol. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of Eben spray for this final melt and put the wig band back on. About 30 minutes later, it is looking literally melted. Do y'all see that? Like, your girl Jasmine Marie should be a hairstylist at this point because I be getting these wigs melted all the way down. Again, if you're watching this video, make sure you check out the link in the description for this wig. Thank you to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this wig. I love it so much. Now let's get back into the install. I'm doing a deep side part, so I'm parting my hair off to the sides. You guys are going to see me create some edges, but it's pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. Okay, so this is the finished product. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love with this wig. It was so long. It was so pretty. I got so many cute pictures in this wig. Thank you again to BeautyForever Hair. If you want to shop a wig like this or you want to see what other wigs they have, make sure you check out the link in the description for all the details to this wig. Thank you so much again to BeautyForever Hair. This is one of my favorite wigs that I've ever installed. As you guys can see, I just look like a baddie. Thank you so much. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Love you.